What do we have here today? We got a Chrysler 300 with a check engine light on, and we need to read the codes first. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button. And there we go. How the heck it knows incorrect engine all the time? You could have water in it for all it's concerned. But these are the three codes that are there. So let's have a look. And here we have a couple of PIDs. You can see the oil voltage that's almost. Let's graph it. And the oil pressure, engine not running. And the oil pressure is showing 103.2 psi. Where does it get that from? Oil pressure sensor voltage. So EVT still get the oil pressure readings from the oil pressure switch itself, or oil pressure sensor. It's a 5 volts. I don't care about the temperature, but that's about right anyway. Maybe it's about 60 degrees inside here. So this, and this is what I'm more concerned about. So it's looking like a faulty oil pressure switch. So let's check it out. Okay, let's start the engine up and see what happened to the oil pressure. Yeah. We get no changes. Engine running. Engine light on. And we get no changes from the oil pressure. I already checked the oil and there's oil in it. Although if there was no oil in it, you wouldn't have 103 psi. That's a whole lot of pressure pushing up. Let's just rev it up and see. No change. No changes. So let's get to the switch and see what happened. Old oil pressure switch. Leaking inside. And this is the new one. This is the new oil pressure switch to fix the code for the oil pressure sensor. Okay. New sensor is in. You can see where it is. You have to remove the alternator just to put it in. And new sensor is in. Okay, now this video is after replacing the oil pressure sensor. Now we can see we have 0, 0. Even the VVT goes to 0. As we said, we don't matter about that. And the engine is not running. So let's start it up and see what the pressure goes to. Well, you guys look at that. Watch your fingers! I'm about to start it.
Oh, you said move my fingers?
Yeah. Now, oil pressure goes to 61, 61, 61. Engine running.
Your shit do sound nice though.
Oil pressure. Gauge work. VVT works. And that's it.